when you went, 'cause you were looking up at me. And in my head I was there, I remember it's all too well. Photo album on the counter, sheets are turning red. Used to be a little kid with glasses and a tensor's dead. Your mother's telling stories about you on a TiVo team. Tell me about your past, thinking your future was me. And I know I'm gone, and there was nothing else I could do to forget about you long enough to forget what I needed to. 'Cause do ya again, that middle of the night, pretend you're on the kitchen and know I feed you with a lie. Down the stairs, I was there, I remember it's all too well, yeah. And maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece. So we tore it all up, funny scared. I was there, I remember it's all too well. Here, call me up again, just avoid me like a promise. So casually true, in the name of being honest, I'm a couple of piece of paper lying here. 'Cause I remember it's all too well. Time on flies like a paralyzed bite. Like to meet my old self again, but I'm still trying to find it. After tortured days and nights when you made me your own, now you mail back my feet and I walk home alone. But you keep my old scarf from that very first week.